Hey guys, wagwan, it's your girl Shanice. Welcome back to Jamaican Cuisine. If you're new, welcome. This is just a quick video showing you guys how I make my jerk marinade, and I use this for my jerk chicken whenever I make it. So here we have a few of the ingredients we'll be working with, and these are ingredients you have in your fridge, in your pantry. Nothing crazy, nothing special. So I'm adding my allspice, pimento seed, otherwise known, around 15 allspice. If you're using ground pimento seed, I'd say around a heaping teaspoon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. I'm using 6 cloves of garlic, followed by a little piece of habanero. I had no Scotch bonnet. You can go ahead and add the whole thing if you like it spicy. I don't really like it too spicy. After that, I'm gonna add around 8 sprigs of thyme. I'm adding the stem, everything. This is what makes it, you know, as authentic as possible and adds all that flavor to it as well. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a small white onion, followed by 3 stalks of scallion or green onions. If you have a small blender like I do, you can go ahead and blend this first to make some more space, and then come back and add the remaining ingredients. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, followed by 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. Now I'm adding around a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of olive oil to this. Any oil can do. So I went ahead and I blended it. This is how it's looking. I didn't like the fact that it looked as green as it did, so I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of browning sauce, around a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a nice piece of fresh ginger, and this is just gonna elevate the flavor so much. Wow, this is smelling so good right now, guys. And this is something that I store in my refrigerator and just use it sometimes, even when I'm not making jerk chicken. I like to add it to any meat that I'm cooking. You know, it gives it a lot of flavor because this is just fresh herbs and spices. So it's really good to have this on deck. So the last thing I'm gonna add to this is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend until I get to a smooth consistency. And this is how it's looking. Like I said, it's very simple, guys. And I just add this to my chicken or meats, and I store the excess in the freezer in a Ziploc bag. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of these recipes. You guys walk good and stay safe.